So we started 2021 in a bad way, and this time around it has to do with Obi Cubana. According to the Punch newspaper, the Ndlea grilled social media socialite Obi Cubana for alleged drugs links. According to the Punch newspaper, the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency on Thursday grilled socialite Obi Cubana, popularly known as Obi Cubana, for his alleged link to the illegal narcotic business. The Punch has learnt. The Punch reports that Cubana, who is the chairman Cubana Group of Companies, has grilled for about 5 hours at the Abuja headquarters of the Ndlea was granted bail and asked to return at a future date. Impeccable sources told our correspondent that suspicious payments were made into Cubana's account by 3 convicted drugs dealers from Malaysia, Nigeria, and India. This is coming after last year's arrest by the EFCC. But I don't really think this is supposed to be something that we should all focus on. We have people like Dangote, we have Fort Oyi, and the rest of others who are actually big boys in this country, but they are not focused on. Why must he always be Igbo men? Why must he always be Igbo celebrity men who are actually doing well for themselves, And to count the whole story, still on the same issue, and the Ndlea last year also probed him, and they did not really get anything reasonable of his case, and they had to let him go. Now the same Obi Cubana he's not even showing concern about the whole issue after being accused. I will just use the word accused of the same issue. He went about advertising his drinks and all of that, and not feeling any problem about what they are actually saying about. According to his words, this weekend it's all about the Cubana wines and having a wonderful time on the Cubana deals. I feel it has to do with a lot of controversial issues. Anyway, I don't know. I just want you to share your thoughts in the comment section. And this is like the last party from the Cubana. Yeah, I would say Obi Cubana. This is like one of the last party he attended before all of these controversial issues. Enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe.
Double white.